gonna go here to Power Vision. They won an award as well. So they have these gadgets that are underwater vehicles, submersible vehicles. Look at all these underwater components. Power Vision makes also robots. And we have here some drones as well. That look pretty cool, interesting. Hi. Are you from Power Vision? Are you from the company? Can I ask a question?
Yeah, of course.
So where are you based?
In Beijing.
Oh, you're a Chinese company. Okay, cool. So this is like
So this one is a facial recognition AI camera.
okay.
That also it can become a drone if you attach the legs. It comes with attachment.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so you attach the legs and it becomes a waterproof drone.
So
That's safe
actually
on
the
water.
camera is that. That's the camera.
It's the same product except this one's set on a tripod.
Yeah, so you can use detachable. It's a detachable thing, right? That you can.
Right. So
it's like a Lego component for your drone or whatever.
Mm-hmm.
And that's the camera, and it detects the vision with the computer vision detects the person. Detects
Exactly.
her.
Yep. What you do is you double tap on a subject's face,
Okay.
and then the camera starts following their movement.
Okay. So the camera has it's inside moving like this.
Right. Yep. You can even see it. If you look at it, it moves side to side and also moves up and down.
Okay, just give me 1 second here. We're gonna move. Oh, look at this. So the camera is following her with tiny motors right here from left to right and right to left. You see that? Pretty cool. Power Vision. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're watching TechEDTV here at the Consumer Electronics Show.